Welcome back to my channel! Hi friendships! Hi mga guaps! How are you guys? I would like to thank those who are watching this video of mine that has already like 7,000 views, mostly from the Latino community. Hola! With muchas gracias, mi amigas, mi amigos. Thank you very much for watching my video, and I hope you watch my other videos as well. So I have projects that I have made using my old CDs. Like I made this Sunburst Mirror and a picture frame that I put CDs on the side. Easy and cheap. No sense. First project is a Sunburst Mirror. See? It looks awesome! Materials are barbecue stick, the glue, if you have scratch bond papers, ruler, protractor. I used metallic gold poster color, but you can use any color that you like. Of course, CDs. And the most important thing is you need the illustration board or any cardboard. First thing is to roll the bond papers. We need 36 sheets. You need to make 36 sticks or spikes. You start at the edge diagonally, and then you can just put ordinary glue because it's just paper anyway. And of course you need to remove the stick out. Then I cut them into 4 sizes: 13, 12, 11, and 10 inches. Next I cut 2 round thingies. Using the illustration board, you can use a cardboard. The thing about illustration board is because it has a black and a white side. So when you assemble the center part, you need to use the black side because the gold CD will stand out against a black background, so it looks more attractive. Next, to put the markings. Now, if you don't have a protractor like this, you can just, estimate how many lines you want, whatever design you like. So, my mantra is, the imperfections make it perfect. So, the longest stick should be the outermost circle and then going in. So, you just follow the pattern A, B, C, D, C, B, A until you finish everything, the entire circle. Then glue the middle or the center part. Make it very strong and sturdy because it will hold all the sticks. Then we paint the sticks with metallic gold. I use poster color, but you can use spray paint or watercolor or whatever color you want. I wanted metallic because I wanted it to be glossy. Of course, you need to include the back part. And voila! That's my finished product. I put it in my living room. Awesome! I like it. Second project is this picture frame. Materials, same thing, CDs, glue, scissor, and then very old picture frame in my room before. This was my first watercolor painting. Yikes! And this is my much improved second painting. Love it! So I took out the old picture and put in the new painting. I cut it like a diamond. But then when I was watching it, I thought that it was boring. So I cut CDs, I put it on the side, I glued it, and then I put it back in the frame, and voila! That is my picture frame. Now the painting, well, that's another video. Thank you for watching my video. Bye! Please like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for new videos. Thanks for watching. Bye!